Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Sue in the Travels with Sue series. Today's video features the newly opened Xiangshan, pronounced Xiangshan Fish Steamboat in Gurney Plaza, Penang, bringing a novel dining experience of feasting premium-grade fish steamboat. Prepared with live fresh fish, herbs and natural ingredients, this fish stock is slowly brewed for hours and served in giant golden wooden Xiangshan barrels on a tabletop setting. Then this fish soup base is poured into the tabletop barrels. For the first round, the server cooks the fish slices in just minutes, and these fish fillets are immediately served hot with nutritional milky fish soup. Subsequently, more ingredients such as vegetables, meat, tofu, and pan mi noodles are placed into the naturally delicious fish soup until the soup bubbles. All the aroma wafts around the environment while one slurps the piping hot soup. We thoroughly enjoy our first dining experience here and have to specially thank my foodie nephew who recommended this restaurant, which already has 10 other branches in Kuala Lumpur and Petaling Jaya. There are 4 signature fish soup bases that one can choose from. The original, immunity nourishing and boosting soup, the classic, eliminates fatigue spicy soup, the tomato beauty care soup, the sauerkraut appetizing and digestion improving soup. The classic and sauerkraut soup bases are spicy, while the originals and tomato soup bases are non-spicy. At the same time, one can choose the different fishes: patin fish, tilapia, dragon grouper, and toman fish to be cooked in the choice of soup bases.
等下你帮我们调一下可以吗？这样这样。可以。你好，老板鱼熟了，可以吃了。
鱼熟了，可以吃了，谢谢。好吃。
先喝汤，再吃鱼。先喝汤。
This restaurant, newly opened in Penang in March, is the 11th branch after the restaurant experienced overwhelming success in the central Malaysia region, particularly in Kuala Lumpur and Petaling Jaya areas. The branch in Gurney Plaza is the first in Penang and the northern region, but I was informed that more branches will sprout as this culinary trend is catching on. This branch has been much awaited by health-conscious fans of fish steamboat, and it definitely will not be the last in the northern region as this creative culinary trend takes the country by storm. Malaysians are well known for their love of good healthy food and love eating fish, so I believe this restaurant will become popular. The only setback is the price. Good food does not come cheap. Still, with all the favoring factors, I believe Xiangshan Fish Steamboat is going to become a huge success. I definitely have become a converted fan after my first visit as well. Cheers to a bucket full of supreme fish soup. I can't wait to try the other soup bases. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to create more content. Enjoy good food and help others find great food too. Thank you for watching and you have a wonderful day.